Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel Simran Saifi. So I have ordered few products from Smytten App. So I think you must have heard it about it. Yeah. So this is a pouch and it is a free gift which I have received from them because I have ordered 6 product and this seventh one was free. Okay, so no need to think that Smitten's app gives free gifts and all. Yeah, okay, so these are the products which I have ordered. 6 products, 2 creams, creams for babies. So basically these creams and lotions I have ordered for my siblings, and this is okay, so I'll be showing you each and every product one by one. Okay, so this is vitamin C sleeping cream from Mama Earth, and the quantity is also very satisfactory and everything is very nice. Okay, so I just want to clear or confess or say or tell you guys one thing, that I just want to be real with my channel. I just don't want to do the editings and all, and just I don't want to make that efforts to make my video more perfect and presentable. I just basically want to express my feelings and talk just like this only. Yeah, so this is the face wash for babies and it is also from Mama Earth. And I have ordered body wash also, and the results are quite satisfactory. So here I have body lotion. This is also for my siblings. And I'll tell you guys the results also, and this is the seal which I'm showing you here. So basically whenever you buy a product, you must check it for once whether your product is sealed or not, because that tells the uh, quality of the product, whether it is used or unused. Yeah, so this is the oil, onion oil from Mama Earth only, and here I have shown you the MRPs and that, what do you say, the expiry and manufacturing date. So now let's open it together, and I just tell you guys that it was too hard to do, yeah, but somehow I managed to do it. So on that meanwhile I'm opening it, let's talk something about. So basically I've been I just want to, I just love to talk, but I don't get the chance that much, that I'm just only saying and saying and saying and other parties just listening to me. It is very unusual thing which I am assuming that it happens to me. So that's why I've chosen the this way, that I'll be talking and saying things and no, everyone will be listening to me. Yeah, so it is a different kind of feeling. Yeah, okay, leave it. This are my random feelings which you're gonna be hearing meanwhile my videos, because I'm just going to be real with this channel. So I have shown you. Okay, so the thing is, I was just trying to take out the drop of the oil, but it was sealed. So the best thing is it is sealed from the inside also. Yeah, so this also tells that about the product, that it is genuine. Yeah, so yeah, now I'll be showing you here the quantity. Okay, so let's wait for the quantity. Okay, just ignore the legs which are visible in the video. Yeah, so I'll be just showing you the drop, but yeah, so here I just took one drop because I didn't want it to waste it. Yeah, so then I have ordered the Sirona body wash, but when I saw it first time, I was like, what, are you serious, too small? I was like, oh my god, I have did a big mistake. But yeah, what do you ask for, you know nowadays everything is so expensive, so okay, we'll manage it. So when I just saw the texture, green texture, I was like, "Are you serious? Is it really green?" And I was, like confirming it, reconfirming it again and again, and then I just put my finger inside, and yeah, okay, it is this only, because I was thinking that it is a bubble, and it is not this much. And one thing which I must tell you guys, that this the cap which is shown in the video, you can't reuse it. Okay, once you have taken this out, you have to throw it. You can't reuse or restuck it. okay, like we do with other like we do with other bottles. Yeah, so you can just only cover your bottle, your this with the main cap only. So this is the last product, and it is Miss Nails nail polish. So I have ordered is because of the texture which they have shown in the picture of it. Yeah, so basically this is all for this video. Okay, so this is all for this video, and if you have reached till here, then hands off to you, and thank you so much for your precious time. And of course we'll talk again, and we'll see. Okay, we can't see, you will hear me and I'll read your comments again, or maybe I will not read your comments because I'll be putting them off, because yeah, this is the way I want to do it. Okay, so there is no other reason, just the way I want to do it. This is the way I want to do it. Okay, okay, so take care, Allah Hafiz, bye bye, and have a great life, have a great journey, and